Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new dreamer design. I believe this is also one of the kit I did do in Halloween time. I could call all of my new unboxing for Halloween. This is also Chuck Kurtis, but this one I'm super excited for because she is so colorful and a little bit dark. Ooh, this is so early for me to start getting up. Let's see. Okay, the plastic is not gonna touch this time. Okay. Love the handle on these boxes. Let's see. I don't remember if it was a round or square. I love to be surprised with an open dreamer design. It's easy to see on the box to compare to the dreamer design and diamond outlet. I don't know which one this is, and I don't remember. It's been a while since I ordered all of these paintings, but I don't remember. Maybe this should be a square one, maybe it should be a round one. Okay, so 2 packages of diamonds for this painting. Okay. Toolkit. Never show them. I have plenty of them now. So let's see. It's a square. So that's nice. Maybe I'm going to wake up now. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 AB, as I can see right now. Maybe more. But look how colorful this painting are. Really love the colors. Maybe you know which one it is. No, it's 4 AB. Maybe 5 or 6, I don't remember. Let's see. So, wait. Get the thumb roll. Don't like it. So, I don't know how. Moon Lil or something. I cannot pronounce it quite correctly, but I hope it's something like that. Let's see. We have to roll it up the straight way. Oh, super excited. Oh, they have the new sticker on this one as well. That's nice. Oh, I just love this painting, and I'm so surprised that my boyfriend didn't decide that he wanted this one, but this one is mine. Oh, love. Oh, many blue colors and pink colors. I love blue and pink, purple. Let's see. Oh, oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh my god, she's pretty one. Oh, look at that bear. Oh, that one is so cute. And cute pink kitty. Oh, let's see. Okay, this one I love very much. Let's see, we have 4 AB. 1, 2, 3, 4 AB. Yes, 66 color. Oh my god, What's up with all the colors? 66. Why not 66? Okay. But I love, oh my god. Okay, love her. Look. Oh, she's so clear and so lovely. And oh my god, what can I say? She's all that I like. Oh, we're gonna show the, oh my, like this. Look at that top and that hair. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Oh, if you have not getting this one, you have to get it. Okay, she's kind of a cool kind of way. If you love Chuck Norris, this one is the best one yet, I believe. I think so. She and which other one? Hassel was okay. Hassel was a round one, and this one is a square one. So I love to see the comparison, but square and one round one. I have not yet done a square. Yeah, in kind of character. I did the custom, and I love the detail. I love the color in her hair and the. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, for the AB, maybe every AB is gonna be in her face again. Let's see. So we got a O. Oh, let's see. We got in the kitten eye. Oh, look, she had a blue eye and a yellow eye. He had a yellow eye and a blue eye. We have some in the bear, in the whiskers by the kitten, and in her face, all over the face, in her eyes, and down here in the skin part, around her neck, here, so it's more spread out than in the necklace around her. And the M is here, in her eye, in the bear. Is it something in the cat? Yeah, here in the cat. Let's see. Some down here. Down here, yeah, so it's more spread out this time. And we got an anchor in her eye here, so plenty of AB in the eye. Every AB is in the eye. Nothing in the cat's eye. Okay, so it looks like it's only the eye here. And number 3, where is the 3? The 3 is not in her eye, so 1 is not in her eye, but it should be, what? I'm blind? Where's 3? It's like a purple. Why can't I find it? It's like purple everywhere. Oh, it's blue. Okay, so it's spread all around the blue parts of the light in her hair. Okay, look for the wrong color. Yeah, sometime we can do that. But yeah, look, she's big, she's lovely. Oh my god, I want to work on her now. And the bear is super cute. Look at this bear. I absolutely love this rendering of this painting. Absolutely. So I'm super pleased with this painting, and I don't know what it should say behind her. No, it can't say anything. It's like, I don't know if it should say something or not. But yeah, she's having like a hat on. The kitten and the bear. Bear, kitten, kitten, bear. So yeah. Okay, I love it. Very nice. Very chic. I love the hair. So pretty. So 63 colors, 4AB, and the sticky, super sticky. And this time the AB are spread more, so that's nice. And here down it says paint with passion, and yeah, we like to paint with passion, but with diamond paint with passion. The legend is down here and one up for this. I don't know why, but the legend should be top, since you are working with it on the top. Maybe it's okay if I think about it, because I'm working, always when I work on a painting, I work with the painting from this side and over. Maybe it should be easier for me to look this way. I'm gonna try it out, but I never use the legend on the canvas. I use the simple on their boxes, so it does not matter to me which say on the canvas. But yeah, pink hair, people. Oh, I love pink hair, really do. So yes, this is for this kit. This is a square kit and I love it, and I can't wait to get this one started, but maybe next year, maybe not this year, because this year we only have 1 month. And now I'm gonna start working on my Christmas painting. I'm doing like a Christmas present right now, and I can't wait to get started with some Christmas painting. Maybe Dreamer Design is also coming out with some. I have not seen some Christmas yet. But yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and hope to see you very soon. Bye guys.